Thanks for joining us on another fresh edition of Perspectives on Signature TV. My name is Linus Aleke. Earlier in the week, the First Lady raised a serious alarm on the condition of Aso Clinic. Despite the huge sum of money that has been budgeted to take care of that medical institution. But we're on the street to hear from Nigerians what their opinions are about the concerns that she has raised.
I can say this is very, very unfair, but they're hearing about this type of statement. And the man in here is himself telling me that he's worthy, telling others, showing what he is with others, but in himself, he cannot control his house. That's very, very unfair. He cannot be justified on what he's saying. That's how can he control, eliminate corruption? Why is he instituting corruption? That's what is happening in his house. He doesn't know. But you cannot control your family. How can you control outsiders?
We believe that the country should do better than what we are seeing. Every country was supposed to budget for our citizens, for each of our citizens. When they budget, they give us better medical facilities, they give us better medical health care. The citizens will be happy seeing the country moving forward. In the case that when someone is sick, the person runs to the hospital and has nothing to be, there's nothing to treat that person with, I think it's nothing good to write home about the country. You see all those issues of doctors rioting, striking will not be there.
For that issue. That's why I always say this. If they want to check this country, Nigeria, very well, we're supposed to go back to our Senate. Everybody is there to represent this country, Nigeria. And they are the ones supposed to lead us. This is where we're supposed. If you locate something, they are the ones supposed to say, okay, how this thing is going. Nobody is taking of that. They don't even give us the report of anything. If not, in short, I always say this something in this government. It's because of Buhari now. We even had many things that is happening in this country. Because if president cannot get an injury for your own hospital, then what else do they need from us?
The Nigeria, I don't know. The whole thing is like that. We are suffering from it. If you go to hospital and there is nothing to be done like treatment, the government should be wholly responsible for the management of the hospital. It is everywhere. When you go to, like, some women, they are dying of even antenatal. You go for antenatal, you find that there are nobody to attend to you. Some, on the process of giving birth, they will die. So this government, I don't know, what I advise is that the government should just try and do something about it. If not, the masses, we are dying, we are suffering. They should do this. Is not what we voted for.
To begin with, they are the one that's supposed to have by now. That place is supposed to be well stocked with drugs and everything we need. But you discover that sometimes we Nigerians are also a problem to ourselves. All the people that are supposed to work there are supposed to have the fear of God and make sure that if any money is assigned for drugs or whatever, to make sure that the hospital is equipped. But when the money comes, people will divert this money. And when they divert it, what do we expect? An empty building. So for the First Lady now to begin to see it now, that means all of them are supposed to be a part of this problem. Why she was not a First Lady? What did she do? What was her advice? Is it that because she entered, she is not seeing the loophole? So it goes back again to that all of us in this nation need to get sanitized.
My brother, it is rather a shocking news and a shocking revelation that such a thing should happen at the State House Clinic. The budget implementation. Somebody said that it hadn't been implemented up to 15%, and they are already preparing for a new budget this thing for the year. When you check the way things are going, the kind of money they budget for the State Health Clinic, and the First Lady could go there and couldn't find a simple syringe, the least thing you can get in even chemist. It is seriously disgusting. It means we are at the end of road. And if actually the president mean well, he want to fight corruption, I think that is where he will start the job of fighting corruption. He must set a pro panel, a clear one, to check what actually went wrong with the money that had been budgeted since the past 3 years to the State Health Clinic and other hospitals, in fact.
We have to encourage government so that government, they should do something about it, because especially we that we are, especially those who are less privileged, they cannot be able to even feed themselves. If such problem happen to them, how can they go about? That's the problem that we have to, and especially the religious, we have to pray hard for such government so that God will even change our country to make our country a better country.
That's it on our edition today. Until coming away again, my name is Lionel Saleke.